everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I haven't done a thing this week because of just feeling of unwell. We got sprayed with pesticides last Friday, and so Chris got it worse. And I never was good around chemicals. I have to eat organics and I have to avoid the pesticides. I'm allergic to pesticides in your foods, and whatever they consider safe for people is not so good for me. So I've been just put it, summarize and just say not too well or strong. Anyway, slowly getting back on my feet again. What is today? I think it's Thursday. So, yeah, just recover my strength. I haven't heard much from Chris at all since. I don't know if I haven't been on YouTube at all either. I haven't even checked the comments in days. So, hopefully we'll clear up. Hopefully that'll be the end of it, and we can go on with our lives. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you where I've been, and I got some unboxing to share with you. I was going to make each of these separate videos, and I figure since I haven't done anything around here at all, we'll just share these with you and let you have some happy times for a few minutes. So, here we go. Michelle, what do you got?
I don't know.
I don't know. Well, everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Michelle is excited, and Mom, they got a gift from a viewer today in the mail. I'm not going to mention who it is, but I thought it'd be fun to show this on video.
Yeah, this is. What is it? What is it?
Well, that's what you're going to find out. Look at that face. This is addressed to Melanie and Michelle. Look at her. She's so excited. Look at it.
Get out.
I took the letter off first.
Oh, she took it out already though. What's that?
Oh, look at the little suitcase
this
thing. We're going to have to look at that. Oh, look. My purse, it says. Let me see on the camera. Look around. Hold on a second. My purse. Isn't it? There's all kinds of stuff in there.
And what's that?
Lipstick. What's that? A credit card.
Credit card.
What's that? There's a phone. Michelle got your own cell phone and keys. You can take that with us today on the trip. What's this one? Melanie, help her open that. Let's see what's in it.
Oh, it's a phone. Oh,
look at that.
Oh, look at that.
So we're going to have sounds in the car on the way today. All right, let's see what else is in there. Put that in the purse.
Close. Then in the purse. What's in here?
Look at that. There's lipstick and a credit card. Open it up. Open it up. It'll stop eventually. Oh, look, it's even got a stripe. Look at that. So there's your credit card for your purse.
And another earphone.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so
What's that say? Show me the front. My splendidly sober.
Lucy, look. Oh,
Oh,
look.
wow. Look at all the jewelry. Look at that, Michelle. All kinds of princess stuff. Let me see the front.
You can hold.
Oh, like a purse. Cool.
And look at this.
Funny faces, sticker fun. Michelle loves stickers a lot.
Look at all the stickers.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, what is this? What is in these? What is in these?
Let me see
What's
these.
that? Oh, you have to open it then.
Kong Cozy. Oh, it's a moose, I think.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Oh, look, there's little... What are they?
Touch it.
Squishy. Oh, weird. It's weird.
There is this sticker in here. What's in there?
Wait.
Oh, there's a sticker inside each one. Some collectible things.
Oh, this is weird.
What is this? Collect them all.
Oh, this one is
Mash'ems. They're called Mash'ems.
That one.
Collectible, sticky, gooey things.
Ooh.
You're funny. Oh, wow, it's sticky. Oh, it's a cat. It's a gooey, squishy. Oh, look at his head bulge. Watch.
That's so cool. I'll put it in here. This is sticky.
Yeah, keep them clean. We're not taking him to the beach. So I didn't see the puppy one. Oh, there's more of the stickies. Okay.
That's a puppy one.
Look at that one. Oh, this upside down. I should do. There's other stuff.
Oh, he's got a hand grenade. What's he doing with a hand grenade? Oh, they're the same, I see. They're really
Oh, that's
sticky.
bird cat.
They're really
That bird
sticky.
cat. Oh, that's the
Show me
bird.
the blue dog thing.
Wait, where's the blue thing?
The blue dog. Oh, you got another one of them?
I want to
Let me see.
called.
So it's a Kong Cozy.
Oh, this is the
Interesting.
rainbow one. I like it.
Oh,
Oh.
looks like an owl. Well, Michelle, can you say thank you?
Can I see?
Yeah.
Well, the girls are going to have a blast. Some of this we'll take on our road trip. And we're going on a road trip today. By the time you see this, we will be home. So it's safe to tell you that. Well, I didn't know it squeaks. It shows a little girl, so it's definitely for kids. Is that one squeak? They squeak. Funny.
I like this.
Have some fun. The sticky guys are not going to the beach.
Nope.
Nope, they'll be a mess. Well, thank you very much. A lot of fun for the girls.
Oh, look at
Say
that.
thank you, na. Thank
She did.
Thank
you.
you.
Talk to you guys later.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, look at all these.
Well, she's going to have fun.
Look at that.
You made yourself fall. Are you excited about the box?
Yay, 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 yay.
You're not at all excited, are you?
Yay. Yay, 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 yay,
We have a box.
yay, 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 yay.
Michelle says it's a heavy box.
Yeah.
It's a really heavy box.
I can't even carry it.
Well, you did carry it.
It's so heavy and I feel it's going to drop on my feet.
Oh, no.
It's so heavy.
Okay, Mama's here. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready. Yay.
You need the...
Excited. I want to be in the middle.
Yeah, but we have
We have a box.
Yay.
Let's open. Sorry.
You're so funny, Michelle.
Done.
Okay.
What's that?
Oh, what's all that? Oh, what's that? Dried
Dried
fruit,
fruit.
mix, nutmegs, good. Oh, Michelle found something. What is it?
What's that?
Careful, there's something in it. Is it gonna bite? It's a carrier. What is it?
Your dog.
There's a dog in a carrier. Look at that.
Look.
Oh, so cute.
So
It comes in a crate.
cute.
Cool.
This
What else is in
What
here?
else?
What is this?
A
Coffee pods. We'll put them aside.
What else? What's that?
What is it? Oh, that might. Wait, huh? What's it say?
I don't know. It's like
Oh,
cast.
okay,
and
that's hardware.
metal.
Oh, what's this? Cookie mix.
I don't know.
Oh,
Hello?
these.
Oh. Oh, yes. This goes to an amp meter.
There's two.
There's a screw. That goes to whatever you want to put it on.
Coffee.
Coffees. Now, take the coffee out of the way, please. There you go.
Another coffee.
More coffee pods. Oh, what'd you find? Uh-oh, there's an egg. Uh-oh, there's nothing in it. Was there something in it that fell out, maybe?
Heavy one.
Open it.
I think
Looks
it's
like a battery.
a battery.
Well, open it. I want to see. My hands are full.
Oh, look at these books.
Oh,
Look at
Cool.
these books.
power. What's this?
Books.
Christian Worldview for Students. A priceless gift in 30-day readings. Christian Worldview for Students, Volume 2.
Another
Interesting.
muffin.
Another muffin.
What's that?
Bolts or something.
Oh, door pull, man.
Another egg.
There's another egg.
Oh, look. Open this one.
Oh, Michelle.
Shoe.
Rainbow shoes.
Oh, my favorite.
We'll check that out in a little bit and see how they fit you.
Another egg.
Another egg. There's all kinds of eggs in here.
Let's see.
Maybe the stocking.
Oh, all the tea.
Oh, wow. All kinds of different teas in there. Wow, that's a lot of different tea. Oh, wow.
That's a lot.
Nice.
Oh,
What's this? Cranberries. Good stuff. That's what we had on the weekend.
I like that one.
Yeah. Cakes. Ooh, look at that. Another cake, Max. Nice.
oh, hey, look at this.
What's this? This is... Oh, Philippine dollars.
Oh.
Michelle. Oh. Eh? Okay, this I'm not sure of right now.
Oh.
Cool.
Money.
Money. I don't know what these are exactly. I'll have to look at them. Well, that definitely goes to that. Oh, there's something electronic.
Nice.
Eh?
Okay.
Definitely have to look at that closer. What you got there? Oh, fruit and nut mix. Well, thank you very much,
Thank
Michelle.
you. Can you say thank you?
Michelle, thank you.
Oh,
It's so cute. Mom, thank you.
you.
Thank you very much. I gotta see what this is with my hands. Open that up for me, will you please? That's curious. It's an electronic thing.
Thank you.
Michelle was so excited about this. Oh, what is this? Oh, you know what? I bet that's a meter.
This is
something.
It's
good.
like a digital meter.
Daddy, I only wanted this.
Well, I'll look at that in a
Daddy,
minute.
I always wanted this.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, now you got one. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.